Welcome to our channel. If you like to support our channel, please share it with your friends. In addition, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to ensure that you always receive the most recent information from us. What is the Camry? The Camry might be the most recognizable among Toyota's lineup of household name vehicles. The Toyota Camry is a popular mid-size sedan available with traditional gas or hybrid engine options. We also expect the Camry to get the full EV treatment in the near future as part of Toyota's plans to increase electrification globally. We love the Camry for its spacious interior with plenty of room for passengers in both rows, as well as the generous trunk size. It's not exactly a firework to drive, but the Camry is one of the few sedans in the class to offer all-wheel drive, making it a better option for buyers in cold weather climates. 2024 would be the 7th year of production for the current generation Camry, so we can reasonably expect Toyota to make some changes, although we don't have any official details at this time. Updates for the Camry will likely include Toyota's new multimedia system and the latest version of its SafetySense driver assistance tech. And based on Toyota's usual schedule, a redesigned model could be in the offing. Whatever updates may come, the Camry will have stiff competition from its chief rival, the Honda Accord, which received a makeover for the 2023 model year. The Camry is a sedan staple for a reason. While its recipe hasn't changed too drastically over the generations, the car's decent fuel economy figures and comfortable interior have made it a sales success. Hopefully Toyota rolls out a new model soon, as the current car is starting to show its age. Check back here for updates on the 2024 Camry. Estimated price, $28,000.